back to our channel.
Today we're gonna do a salad. Very easy, but it's a Thanksgiving salad because we have pomegranate. And this salad takes 2 pomegranates, some chicken, this is rotisserie chicken, some walnuts, mayonnaise, salt and pepper, and carrots, but this is like shredded carrots. You can buy them at Oriental store. So what I'm gonna do is just put maybe like half a bag of this carrots. And then half a plate of this chicken, which I cut it in cubes. This rotisserie chicken. All of these walnuts, maybe if people like it more, you can put some more.
And I put all the pomegranates.
Pomegranate. This is about 2 pomegranate. And so we're gonna put some salt and pepper. We're gonna put some salt.
Can I put pepper?
Put pepper.
So this is pepper. We like to use Kirkland brand. Oh wait, that's not Kirkland. I thought it was from
That's
Costco.
McCormick. It's okay. You either use it from Winco or
Well,
Costco.
that one's Kirkland brand.
Yeah, this one is salt, sea salt. I like that one.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay, and then some mayonnaise. Probably 1, 2, 3.
That's so chunky.
4, maybe like 6 of them. 5, 6.
6 spoons.
Because it's a big salad. You want to mix it? Mishать in Russian. No, don't grab it like that. Go like this. Try to go maybe like this.
Top.
And like this.
Oh, yeah.
And some cow, we can do it together.
So we mix.
Sometimes you mix it, and if you see if it's not enough,
Mayonnaise.
it looks like I put a lot of carrots, but it's not enough
Mayonnaise.
mayonnaise. We can put some more.
We're pouring it out.
Looks like I'm just gonna put more chicken because I put a lot of
Mayonnaise. Carrots.
carrots.
You put half a bag and then you put even more.
I know. That's okay. I do everything kind of by eye.
You eyeball it.
Eyeball it.
Wow.
Yes, I eyeball it. Well,
Now it's better.
yeah. Now we just need some more salt and pepper.
Okay, I'll put that in. So this is a salt, a sea salt.
I
It's
already said that.
Kirkland, and this is McCormick black pepper. So we're gonna go. Done?
Well, I'll do it at the end. But it's pretty much mixed now.
Okay, tell me when to stop.
Okay. No. So this is how the salad looks like. What are you doing?
I'm
So-
helping you.
I would probably put more
Pomegranates.
pomegranate, more of the walnuts and stuff, but it tastes so good. So
I'm
good.
trying.
Okay, so our salad is ready. This is only like basically 4 ingredients. Shredded carrots, pomegranate, chicken, and walnuts. So that's 4, plus you mix it with mayonnaise,
And
salt
salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper, and that's it. Amazing Thanksgiving salad. You guys should try it. You're gonna love it. High five.
Be sure to like and subscribe and comment.
Down below.
Yeah, comment down below.
Hello. Okay.
Okay. So yeah,
Everybody
like
knows
and
that.
subscribe. When you subscribe, hit that bell to be notified whenever you get another video. And subscribe to my channel, Ari Ferrari.
Oh, sorry. That's right.
no,
That's
so
right.
fast.
Ferrari. Bye.
You like fast, like Ferrari. Run.
So the salad is done. Basically only like what, 4 ingredients.
Ingredients.
Do it again.
4 ingredients.
That was gonna be our, what's it called?
Bloopers.
Bloopers.
Anna, it doesn't want to stop. What the? Freaking stop.
Freaking
Oh,
stop.
it doesn't. Okay, so our salad is ready. It's only like 4 ingredients basically. Shredded carrots, chicken, whole grains. Whole grains.